How to set up Afterpay on Square. To enable or disable Afterpay for in-person transactions on the Square POS app or Square Appointments POS app, you can do so directly from the app or through the online Square dashboard. For Square Retail POS, Restaurants POS, Invoices, or Virtual Terminal, you'll need to go to Payment Methods via a web browser to adjust the Afterpay setting. Square Dashboard. Go to Account and Settings from your online Square dashboard. Click Business Information, then Payment Methods. Next to the Afterpay payment method, click the three dots, then Edit Settings. Toggle the in-person setting on or off. Please note that once you've enabled Afterpay in person, customers can pay via their Afterpay card on Square POS, Appointments POS, Retail POS, and Restaurants POS. Square App. If you're using Square POS app or Square Appointments POS app, log into your Square app. Tap the three horizontal lines, then More Settings to check out a payment. Under All Payment Types, tap Configure Afterpay. You will be directed to your dashboard via a web browser. Toggle the in-person setting on or off. If you're using Square Retail POS or Square Restaurants POS, visit the Payment Methods setting from your online Square dashboard to enable or disable Afterpay. And that's basically how to set up Afterpay on Square. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.